That's Christmas Day, and thought I'd make a little video of the baby chickies. As you see, they're very active now, and they're getting their little wings, and they're drying them out a lot, trying to fly. They look like, oh, there's one stretching his her little wing. They look like little angel wings to me at this point, because you can just see them really well defined on their, still on their fuzzy bodies. They got the feathers on their wings. So they're about a week and a half old now. Yeah, that feeder is a little big for them, but they kept scratching the shavings into their other ones, so I had to get something that was higher up off the ground. But they can still, reach it. But a lot of them stand on there, which is not ideal, but at least they can get their food. Oh, my goodness. Yes, see? They are trying to fly. You're trying to fly. We'll have to put your cover on pretty soon. As soon as I find a baby chick out here. We got all 26 still. I don't know why I find that so shocking. None of them died because we just had bad luck, I guess, with the first round of chicks. Merry Christmas, little chickies. But they're very active. I was so worried about them when they first came. They were like really slow going, but they all seem really good now. I moved their heater back and forth, and sometimes it's on this end of the brooder. Like when I came down this morning, they were all stuck on this corner. I was like, well, go under your heater. I moved it all the way up now. There's one little, oh, there's some chickies under there. But, you know, it's pretty warm down here anyway. I only have the room set on 70 degrees, but now we have, oh, here comes Henry, who's taking some pictures of the doggies with their bones. I think we're going to get ready to do presents here in a little bit. Okay. Yeah. Oh, look how tall you're getting. I'm making a little tiny video of the chickies, and we have the wood stove going now, so it's warm down here. They're very active. Oh, they're trying to fly. They're trying to fly. Pretty soon you'll be taking off. Soy babies? Okay, peepers. Merry Christmas. Bye, chickies. Oh, scare them when I get up. You're okay. Oh my. Dog pile. Dog pile of chicks. Oh my. I guess I'm gonna have to, well, they pretty much have the whole thing. Just have a little bit left here to open up. Oh, there goes my timer. I gotta put wood in the smoker for the prime rib. Okay, bye chickies. Merry Christmas.